So we will now be going to be opening up this. Looks really pretty. So let's open it up. So there's a hairbrush, really cool one. There's a Kinder Joy egg. Some like this, like a little setup. A game, I believe so. I really wonder how. There's the back side. And pens. I really needed those. And I don't know what this is. All that I know, it's like, I think it's like all about pictures. What's this? Oh, this is like a mini pen, like a pouch for things. This is so cute. It's like a squishy. There's a chocolate bunny. There's more pouches. And I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. And like headphones and a lot of candy and a like dinosaur toy or whatever this is. And yeah, that's cool. So I'll be now opening up this today. Oh, it looks pretty cute. Wait, why is it really hard on there? Oh, so you had to turn it on. Okay, now what? Look. We have to change the battery for sure. And that's scary. And this is all that we got. It repeats after me. I guess it's going to. I thought this was like a comfy toy when it actually repeats after me. Do you like this?
Do you like this?
Say bye.